sets for shower body, and I'm going to open it up so you can see what they look like. So inside of the kit, you're going to get a hex wrench, you're going to get a hex screw, you're going to get a cover, and you're going to get this this little box looking thing that goes inside where the handle is. So you're going to get these 4 items in the kit. So guys, if we take a look, the handle for the shower that came off here, you can see this black plastic inside. That's the white plastic that we could use to replace the black plastic if we need to. And this down in here, if you can see in here, this screw, I think it's broken, but maybe it's not. Maybe I can unscrew that. Let me see if the hexagon tool that I have will go in there. Hang on a second. So guys, guess what? The hexagon tool fits, because I was trying to figure out how I'm going to get that nut, that screw out. So this fits right in there. So let me go ahead and take that out. Look at that, guys. It's coming out perfectly. Let me just continue to unscrew it. So here it is. It came out. So actually, we didn't even need to necessarily order that piece. We could have used one of these tools to just back this screw out. But in any effect, let's see if we can put this handle back on the shower body over here where it's missing. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and fit it here, and I'm just going to hook it up. We could change it and put the new screw in here, but we won't if we don't need to. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to put and I think the issue here is that in order to get this screw back in there, you're probably going to need to open up the shower because of the way that this, let me try to explain to you here. Hang on a second, folks. Okay, because there's a curve, there's a little curve underneath here, like a little lip, and we have to get that screw to go underneath, if you will, underneath that lip. So we're going to have to open up this valve. This valve is going to have to be open, which means it's going to swing that way. And when that happens, the water is going to come on. So kind of, you're going to have to turn off your water. In my case, I'm just going to put the valve on. I'm going to open up the water, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that screw in there. And then I'll show you that the screw is back on and holding tight. But I can't do it and show you how. I'll try to. So you want to turn off your main water. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it on. I'm going to open the water. See, I did here. I'm going to push this screw in and feel my way around. See, I can't do it. I'm going to have to put this camera down a second and do it. Hang on, guys. Okay, I'm going to try it again, guys. it on there. I'll just screw this in. If I can't do it, I'll have to. Hey guys, I think we got it. I'll turn it off. Okay, and it's in there. That was it. That's all we had to do. And this handle that was falling off, it's back on and fixed. And that's all it took. Okay guys, thanks for watching that video. And next time, before you order a screw kit to repair your shower body handle, check and see if you have one of these hexagon tool kits, and try and unscrew it and then just replace it, screw it back in like I just showed you here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video if you learned anything. And please, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you on the next one.